Hello you all. So if you've been having a problem where your bathtub is stopped up, this is what this tutorial is going to help you with today. Why y'all let me do this already? Like, I took this out, so I got this Drano. Hopefully this works. I already put it in. I got the Drano, and then I had just bought this. I'm gonna put all the little links down below. So then I got that. Let me see. I should have showed y'all how it look inside the package, but it's called a hair snake. So I got that, and the reason why I got the Drano Max Gel, I got that because if you look on the back, it shows you the different kind they have, which is the red, the yellow, and then the blue. I needed hair clogs for sure, so that automatically eliminated the blue. So that was still between Snake, which is the yellow, and Max Gel, which is the red. But I figured I also had pipe buildup because it's not going down. So I'm pretty sure it's like some other stuff in there. So pipe buildup is what you'll need, and then obviously for slow drains as well, and standing water, because that's literally everything I had. I would have showed y'all the water in there, but I just had started recording this, hold on, last minute. So I've been right now cleaning up, and I already got this out of the drain. I have no idea what it is, and then there goes some hair. This is a really gross video, but I want y'all to see it, so I'm gonna set it up so y'all can finish seeing me try to get this hair out the drain. And then we're gonna see, we're gonna pour hot water, and then we're gonna see if this Drano works. So I guess it's kind of like a Drano review, I guess, or just helping out and seeing if this gonna work. All right, so right now I'm recording off of my phone. Ew, this is coming up. Okay, I think I may need to. Can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. Ooh, I guess maybe I just, no, I'm finna get some gloves. Hold on. All right, so I see a little hair. Oh, wow. Can y'all see that? Ooh, let's see. Hold on. What is it? Yeah, there we go. Ew. That was in the drain. That's one reason why the drain would not go down. All right, let's go to the next. Let's see what else we got. This stuff kind of hurts when it pokes you. All right, we going down, we coming up. I think they make these for drains that be really going up and down for real. Okay, we got some nasty stuff right here. This is really nasty, guys. Ew. Oh my god. It was so much. Ew. Hold on. Come on, focus on it. There we go. There we go, y'all. That's something, it's coming. something else down there, cause I got this. I feel like that's just a piece of it. I should have got the other one. I don't like this one. I think the other one would have been better. This one's too stiff. I got some. I finally. Oh. I told y'all. Were y'all seeing this? It's coming up. Yes. Are y'all seeing this? We got something. I need to get back down there how I did that just a moment ago. Okay. Yep. There we go. Okay, I think I am finished. I'm gonna clean out the tub so y'all can see it after this nasty stuff. Here go the stick. I just want y'all to see. Here go the stick. Here go my hand. Yep. I ain't cut myself. Here go all the hair. Here go all the hair. Let me put it in the light. Ew. Ew. Oh, this is nasty. Here go all the hair. Ew. My bad, y'all. Hair. And then this messy drain. This is a fair warning to all of my friends who shower with their hair. Well, they shower their hair in the shower. Kudos to you all. I think I'm gonna try to stop doing that. Alright, y'all, we done with the video. Come on, focus. Bow. This tissue. Well, did I put it on her? And some, I don't know what this is, y'all. I guess a rose petal. Well, here we go. This is what we got. Yep. Pretty nasty. Alright, I'm throwing it away. Hope y'all like what y'all see. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share with somebody else who has hair, who showers with their hair in the shower. Bye. Alright, and here's the aftermath. I just wanted y'all to see. Because at first it was not doing this. It was full buildup. I wish I could, I forgot to show y'all. It was full buildup. So we have water now. Look. And it's going right down the drain. At first, I would at least get water up to here. That was ridiculous. Y'all, this stuff works, but it ain't just a Drano. You actually gotta get that snake, because you gotta get down in that drain and get the hair out. So I'll show y'all one more time. it. Period. Period.